Assalamu alaikum KG class. Very good evening to you. I hope so you all are fine and enjoying good health at home. My dear student, this video lecture is related to math subject. So today you have to learn about numbers. Already you have learned about number name. So here is a story for you. You have to write the number and complete the story. First of all, you can see here is a Chip. Chip is a very happy bird. She chirps all the time. She likes to make new friends each day. One day, Chip meets many animals. First of all, Chip meets a bear. She meets dash big bear. How many bear are here? Just only one bear is here. So you have to write she meets one big bear on a one. And the next here is small bunny. So you have to count it how many bunny are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 bunny are here. So then she meets small bunny. So how many these are? These are 12. Then she meets 12 small bunny. And the next one animal is here, dangerous animal, snake. Then she meets dash long snakes. So how many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are 8. So you have to write then she meets 8 long snakes. After snake, Chip meets one more animal. That one is here you can see on your book, deer. So you have to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. हाँ तो प्यारे बच्चों आपने कौन सा नंबर नेम राइट करना है 11. Then she meets 11 thin deer. So you have to write number 11. L-E-O-N 11. Next thing is here log. She sees much thick logs. So how many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Chip see one more thick thing and that one is log. These are 12. So you have to write 12 in this blank. And at the last, Chip meet with short caterpillar. So you have to count how many caterpillar are these and write it by yourself. Okay class, done this work and your work should be very neat and clean. Do it carefully and take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.